Kaizer Chiefs have just released 3 players. Yeah, so it's Keagan, Dolly, Sifiso, Hlanti, and Siyathemba, Sithebe. Yeah, in addition, Njabulo Ngobo, yeah, it's been reported that he has left Kaizer Chiefs. He's going to Sekhukhune United. Yeah, the former defender of the season. So yeah, these are the changes that are happening at Naturena as they are preparing for a blockbuster season, honestly. Yeah, the new coach is not even here yet, but yeah, it seems like the people that he has sent, the technical team, they are doing the job. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of Kaizer Chiefs releasing these players? Yeah, Keagan, Dolly, he didn't play much last season, honestly. Yeah, he's been struggling with injury, and also when he's fit, yeah, his performance have not been that great. So yeah, I'm not surprised by that, given that he was one of the most best paid player in the league, and also I think he's the highest paid player at Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, and then yeah, Sithebe, ever since he was signed by Kaizer Chiefs from Amazulu, yeah, he has not really fit in at Kaizer Chiefs, honestly. Yeah, the Sithebe that we saw at Amazulu is not the Sithebe that we are seeing at Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, that's also not a surprise. And then yeah, Sifiso, Hlanti always had his moments. Yeah, sometimes he was good, sometimes he's not. So yeah, honestly, I'm not surprised by the players that they have released at the moment. So let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of these changes at Kaizer Chiefs? And remember, they are still going to release more players, because there are more players whose contracts are coming to an end. Yeah, at the end of the month. So who do you think is going to be released next?